Welcome to the Enterprise Architect Information Portal video, Basic Work with the Tool, Part 2. Let's have a look at the context menu commands, starting with the diagram. The context menu is continually extended by new functionalities. The first command enables switching to full screen mode. It is useful especially when presenting a large size diagram. By using a tree icon, we can find an artifact in the tree, which is similar to Find in Project Browser command in EA. Another command enables getting a permanent link, URL. This link can be inserted into a document, intranet, sent by email, etc. Displaying a relevant artifact, for example diagram, is possible either by clicking on this link by a logged-in user or in a portal with configured Active Directory. A non-logged-in user must first log in to be able to display the artifact as well. Another command helps us find the path to a given artifact in repository, which is an analog to copy node path to clipboard command. By using the following icon, we get a permanent link to the artifact, diagram, element, etc. again. In this case, a special token generated for the URL address enables displaying the detail also by non-logged-in users. It basically means that the artifact can be viewed by anyone. This link can be inserted into an iframe or published and, of course, deactivated directly in the portal as well. It is also possible to set up accessibility options, for example, one's own diagram and the detail of elements placed on it. The following icon, Refresh, is used in cases we need to do a force refresh of the diagram or another artifact from repository data. In most cases it is not necessary, as the portal detects all changes itself and reloads the artifact from repository automatically. The next icon set enables diagram zooming, moving, diagram position reset, etc. By clicking on the following icon, we can display a filterable list of the elements on the diagram. The list, columns and details is fully configurable. This functionality is useful especially when searching for a particular element on a large size diagram. By double-clicking on the element icon in the list, we can display its details. In a similar way, we can display a list of connectors on the diagram. The list is active, the connectors can be hidden or completely removed. It is also possible to display their details. The list itself is filterable as well. The last command, meaning in this portal version, enables displaying the element under which the diagram is placed, unless placed directly under a package. If there is an element displayed in the detail, the list of available commands is different. Among others, there are no commands connected with the diagram display. The purpose of the list icon differs as well. By clicking on this icon on a diagram, we get a list of elements placed on the diagram. By clicking on the icon in the detail of an element, we get a list of all diagrams where the element is placed. The list contains diagram previews with elements highlighted in blue. By double-clicking, we can get a detail of the diagram. In the previous demonstration, the element appeared on one diagram only. We place it on another diagram by EA and try to display the list of diagrams again. Now, the portal displays both diagrams on which the element is placed. The following presentation relates to call behavior functionality for activity diagrams. For demonstration purposes, we prepare an activity diagram action that is connected to another activity. The detail of this element contains two new icons: Show Called Behavior icon that displays a called behavior preview, and Redirect to Called Behavior icon that switches the detail to called behavior. Hyperlinks in diagrams work in a similar way. Don't forget to check out other videos to learn about other capabilities of EA Infoport.